Class 6A.
Good morning, judges and teachers. My name is Ken. I'm 11 years old and currently studying in Class 6A at Pascal School. My favorite subject is physical education because I enjoy being active. I also really like playing football, which is my favorite sport. As I learn and grow, I'm excited about the future and how new ideas and technologies must shape the world I will live in. So you may know about commercial space travel in movies. It's very specific and hard to think for nowadays technology. But future is a timeline that we can't expect what may happen, and commercial space travel has a big chance of happening. Commercial space travel aims to make journeys beyond Earth more accessible through advanced spacecraft designed for reuse and efficiency. As technology continues to improve, space travel may become available not only for trained astronauts, but also for researchers, tourists, and future explorers. This development could expand scientific opportunities, support new industries, and encourage long-term exploration of the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Commercial space travel represents an important step toward a future where human activity extends further into the solar system. In conclusion, commercial space travel marks an important step toward expanding humanity activity beyond Earth. As technology improves, it will create new opportunities for exploration, research, and future settlements. This progress shows how innovation can shape a future where space becomes more accessible to people and new possibilities continue to grow.
Thank you, Hukan, for your very interesting presentation about space travel. Here are some questions for you. The first one is, there are many benefits that you mentioned, but are there any drawbacks or disadvantages of space travel that will bring to human beings?
There are chances of spacecraft having errors may cause accidents that can kill people when going into spacecrafts.
Okay, thank you. And as we all know that the climate is changing, people are fighting for natural resources, and the forests are producing more carbon dioxide instead of oxygen. So in your opinion, will people move to live in another planet instead of the Earth?
I think people can live on Mars because Mars has a very large source of water which can help people to live there.